This one healthy food has been shown in studies to reverse signs of skin aging. It can boost skin elasticity and effectively turn back the clock in your skin, even after damage has already been done. And this is just one of the many healthy foods that science says can keep your skin looking younger for longer. What is this healthy anti-aging food? It is avocado. But does it actually work? You might find the science surprising. According to research studies, avocados aren't just a trendy food. Oh, okay, I got them. They're loaded with compounds that directly target the processes behind skin aging. A pilot clinical trial found that eating one avocado every day for 8 weeks significantly improved skin elasticity and firmness in participants, especially around the forehead and under the eyes. Researchers believe that this is because avocados are full of monounsaturated fat, which has antioxidant capabilities, as well as vitamin E and carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin, all of which strengthen the skin barrier, fight free radicals, and may even boost the activity of collagen and elastin genes. Compounds like carotenoids and phenolics in avocados reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two of the biggest drivers of wrinkles and loss of elasticity. By calming these pathways, avocados help to preserve collagen and keep skin structure more resilient. But it's not just the skin directly. Avocados also influence the gut-skin connection. A healthy gut microbiome produces metabolites that help to regulate inflammation and maintain the skin barrier. Since diet is one of the strongest shapers of the microbiome, regularly eating plant-based foods like avocados supports a gut environment that promotes clearer, more youthful skin. But there is one thing that you have to know. It's not just about eating avocado. It's about how it interacts with the rest of your routine.
So you're telling me that you could just eat guacamole or avocados instead of getting Botox?
Well, I don't get Botox.
Yeah, and you never will.
He doesn't even know what Botox is.
I have no idea.
I guess I better get ready to have a baby face because I think you're gonna be making me guacamole every day.
What? He does like to eat all my guacamole. Look at those baby cheeks working already. One of my favorite ways of incorporating avocado into my diet is through guacamole. Not only is it delicious, but it includes other foods like tomato and onion, things with polyphenols and antioxidants that are fantastic for your skin, as well as just your body overall. I also like to sneak avocado into whatever I can. Here's me adding it to a smoothie. I usually make a green smoothie. This has chocolate protein powder in here, but it really makes it creamy and delicious, and you can't even taste the avocado in the smoothie. And of course, just dicing up avocado into an antioxidant-rich salad. I actually use avocado in place of dressing just because it contains enough fat, and mixing it up in the salad provides a nice creamy dressing. Of course, I make avocado toast. I use a paleo type bread. This is base culture. It contains just paleo grain-free ingredients and very few net carbs per slice. And it makes for a delicious base for avocado toast.
Okay, Brandon, we're gonna do an avocado science quiz. If you get one of the questions wrong, you have to bake me brownies.
Okay.
Question 1. Which compound in avocado keeps your skin elastic? Is it A, collagen, B, lutein, or C, caffeine?
Lutein.
Yes! Ding, 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 ding. That's correct. Question number 2, the bonus question. Which specific compound has been shown in research to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in skin? Is it A, phenolics, B, lycopene, or C, resveratrol?
Resveratrol?
I wrote the questions, I just don't know how to say the words.
It's not resveratrol. I mean, it has carotenoids, so is it lycopene?
No, I'm sorry, it's phenolics. Ooh, that means I'm getting brownies.
Are black bean brownies okay?
I hate when he does this. Just don't put avocado in it.
In addition to avocado, there are some other healthy foods that have benefits for the skin and have been shown to reverse skin aging. First up is almonds. In a 24 randomized controlled trial, women who ate almonds daily saw a significant reduction in wrinkle severity, especially around the eyes. Almonds are a rich source of vitamin E, as well as monounsaturated fat and polyphenols, all of which work together to protect and preserve collagen and elastin in the skin. Interestingly, researchers also noticed improvements in skin pigmentation through daily almond consumption, suggesting that almonds may also help to improve uneven skin tone. This study shows that almonds don't just fight wrinkles, they also support overall skin clarity. Next is olive oil. This is the backbone of the Mediterranean diet. Long-term studies show that regular olive oil consumption is linked to lower signs of photoaging, such as wrinkles and sun damage. The secret in olive oil lies in oleic acid, as well as a class of polyphenols that are unique to olive oil, all of which help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. In fact, studies show that people with the highest olive oil intake have about half the risk of severe skin aging compared with people in the lowest intake groups. And that's a massive effect, and it's just from consuming olive oil. And finally, cacao or chocolate, dark chocolate specifically. Clinical trials have found that consuming high flavanol cacao or dark chocolate for 12 weeks improved skin hydration, elasticity, and even reduced signs of wrinkles. At the cellular level, cacao flavanols increase hyaluronic acid production, keeping skin plump and hydrated. Cacao flavanols also help to reduce MMP1. This is an enzyme that breaks down collagen in the skin and increases wrinkles. Here's the nuance. Not all cacao or dark chocolate is created equal. High flavanol dark chocolate or cacao shows the strongest results, while heavily processed chocolate like milk chocolate seems to lose much of its activity. Also, shy away from chocolate that is processed with alkali, because these also reduce the antioxidant capacity of the overall product. Cacao powder, for instance, should just be cacao and nothing else. Reaching for raw or minimally processed cacao is the best way to go. Avocados are still one of the most underrated anti-aging foods, but consistency is everything. Add avocados and even some of the other healthy foods that I mentioned in this video into your diet slowly but regularly, and your skin will thank you in the long run. Your skin is a reflection of what you consume and what you put into your body, so choose wisely. Do you like anti-aging food videos? Give this video a like and a comment to let me know that I should make more of these types of videos. And if you like this video, watch another. YouTube thinks you'll like this video on the screen. Check it out. YouTube might be right. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. You're awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.